Halcyon unveils the Great Eight Series remastering the Rolls-Royce Corniche with the legendary 6.75-litre V8. Based on the legendary crew-built 6.75-litre L Series V8, the engine that powered Rolls-Royce and Bentley motor cars for more than 6 decades to become one of the longest-lived production engines in automotive history. The Great Eight Series is the latest remastered icon from Halcyon, the British luxury specialist dedicated to restoring and re-engineering classic Rolls-Royces and Bentleys in close collaboration with their owners, focusing on craftsmanship, artistry, and innovation. The series is unveiled through the Rose and Scroll design study, a remastered Rolls-Royce Corniche fixed-head coupe. Based on a 70s icon, it stands as one of the most elegant expressions of the era, now showcasing the bespoke artistry and hand-finished craftsmanship that define Halcyon's atelier-led approach. Limited to 61 of 1 commissions, the Great Eight Series applies Halcyon's remastering philosophy to a new combustion-powered grand touring experience based on the legendary L Series V8. In the cabin, tan leather and open-pore wood introduce warmth and natural brightness, while green accents bring vibrancy and coherence to the interior. At the center of that narrative sits the Halcyon Gallery, depicting the Surrey Hills. Halcyon calls home. Executed with traditional rose and scroll engraving, the gallery is accented by Damascene kingfisher inlays that reflect the mythical bird at the heart of Halcyon's identity. The result transforms the fascia into a celebration of British craftsmanship, creating a distinctive artistic identity rooted in place, heritage, and tradition.